Hello, friends. Welcome back to more trading signals for cryptocurrencies. Today is the 4th of February. And basically, the downtrend continues. It's kind of slowing down in terms of volatility, but still continues going down. Almost every single day, we reach a new low, which is completely not a surprise to me because, like I told you, this is going to be basically much lower in the coming days and weeks. This is not even close to the bottom, in my opinion. I already told you that my estimations, at least for example, Bitcoin, regarding a potential bottom, basically lie around 55k to around 65. In this range, in this zone, we can find the possible bottom of this cycle, which, as you can see, it's still very, very far from this. Anyways, we keep using the indicator to predict the levels, to predict the price. And as you can see, it's extremely powerful tool, okay? It's an extremely powerful indicator, extremely accurate. And this is how you can make money every single time. I'm not saying this because of myself. I'm saying this because I have friends, I have clients, I have people that are testing this indicator, are working with this indicator, and they are making extreme amounts of money with extreme accuracy, which is the most important part. So right now we're going to see again the structure for the day was a complete correction. Okay, we have not seen any single signal of potential recovery, even though the indicator turned green on the 1 hour chart. On some moments of the day, basically it's nothing. Okay, this is not even an impulse. And if we can see with the indicator, there's still room for more corrections before finding a new support. Uh, to be quite specific, the new support could be around 70k, like just like that, a flat 70k, and possibly around 68. We can see that right now, actually, as I'm speaking, it's reaching a new low, okay, on Bitcoin. Yeah, if we go to other coins, we're going to see basically some of the same. Okay, for example, Solana recently touched a new low, actually dips below 90k. I mean, 90 dollars for Solana. You can see that the indicator predicts even lower support. So I can only see a reversal around any of these areas, maybe 88, 83, or 78. Okay, these are the areas where we could see some basically a bounce, a significant bounce, a significant pump. But this is not going to stop the downtrend. Okay, this is not going to be the end of all of this. If we go to other coins, for example, let's go to Ethereum. And yeah, we can see also Ethereum also has room to actually dip a little bit more. We have other potential supports around this area and somewhere around $18,000. So it can go even lower than this. If we actually take a look at the weekly, okay, the weekly charts, and see, there is some kind of divergence right there, because Ethereum in the last year, 2024, I mean 25, on April. Okay, so on April, Ethereum dips as low as $14,000. Okay, but if you go and check that with Solana, for example, you can see that it didn't really dip that low. I mean, Ethereum actually with that dip, it was almost touching the, well, not nearly touching the bottom, but at least the zone where the bottom of the last cycle was reached. So it's kind of telling we have still room for even more corrections, because if you measure this, okay, if you measure the drop from the recovery month or the bull trap after the top was reached on the last cycle to the very bottom, we're talking around 70%, more than 70%. And if we measure this currently to today, to this current cycle, we're going to see that right now this is not even 40%. So I can really see it drop even possible to this level, very likely, and I will not be surprised if it actually goes even lower. I'm not going to say it's going to be the same bottom as the last cycle, because on the last cycle we actually went below $1,000, but I can basically see it around this area for Ethereum at least. On Solana, I believe the cycle will bottom somewhere around maybe $40, $50, and at the lowest maybe $30, something like that. That's what I can see for Solana. But yeah, it's really crazy how fast, how quickly these corrections have been going on. Really impressive. Anyways, that's basically all I have for today. Again, I just want to tell you that if you want to acquire, if you want to test these indicators to make some extreme amount of profits, if you want to make some money with these indicators, all you have to do is write to me via email. I'll give you the indicators. Obviously, they are not for free, but they are very powerful. Okay, very accurate. Even people without much trading experience can use them because it's so simple to actually go forward with the strategies detailed. It's extremely easy. Anyways, friends, that's all I have for you. Have a good day. Like, share, and subscribe for the work. I'll see you guys next time.